Let's do a breakdown on GBP USD to see the potential move we have on GBP USD. So before we get into the breakdown of the trade, if you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I post content on our YouTube channel. Without wasting much time, let's get straight into the chart and do a breakdown on GBP USD. GBP USD has been trending to the upside for a very long time now. So let's do a top-down analysis on GBP USD. First of all, we can mark out this bottom here, and as you can see, GBP USD has broken out of this downward trend line. So we got a breakout of this downward trend line, and also we can mark out this level of support over here. So this is the reason GBP USD moved aggressively to the upside, because of the second touch of this level of support. We are trend line traders, so we always mark out our trend line. We get our entries from the trend line, the support and resistance, we use them as Confluence, but to take our decision based on the touch or the break and retest of the trend line. So we can mark out this trend line. So this is the first touch of this trend line and the second touch of this trend line. So 3 touches make a trend line valid. So what do? We just simply wait for GBP USD to retrace back to this trend line. We get a touch of this trend line. So our candlestick confirmation will take bias to the upside, and we'll go for a 1:3 risk to reward ratio. So let's just watch and see how the market reacts on this trend line. If the market comes to the trend line and closes above the trend line, and we get our candlestick confirmation, we execute bias on GBP USD. But if it breaks the trend line, we have to wait for the retest of the trend line and execute our trade there. So this is my analysis on GBP USD. So let's just sit back and watch how the market reacts to the trend line. Like I always say, guys, trading is 80% waiting and 20% execution. A lot of the time as traders, we wait for the market to come to our setup, and after execution, we still have to wait for the market to move to our target. As I would say, it's 80% waiting and 20% execution. So let's just wait and see how the market plays out.